Hey guys, this is John with the FJ's Cruiser channel. On my last video with the installation of the shocks, I showed you that I broke a lug stud removing the tire. So today we're going to be replacing this lug stud on a 2014 FJ Cruiser. So the plan is going to be to remove the brake calipers first and then remove the rotors so that I can get to the stud there and then pop it out and replace it with the new one. So let's see how it goes. So it looks like there are two 17mm bolts in the back, but I think I need to remove this bracket over here with the brake line so that I can remove the whole thing and suspend it with a bungee cord. Okay, now that's the broken one. Let's get that dude out. Woo! Alright, so we got our new stud, and we're going to put that in there, and I've got some washers as a spacer, and I went ahead and drilled out a washer just so it barely fits. So good tight snug, and I'm going to get just a lug nut and try to pull this guy in. Oh. .91 foot-pounds. That's torqued back on there. Let's put the bracket back on, and that's it. Put the wheel back on. Thanks for watching this video, and I appreciate it. See you guys later.